Hello everyone. First of all, thank you to WebStack Academy for providing me with this internship opportunity and helping me improve my full stack development skills. I would like to thank my faculty members and the internship organization for giving me this wonderful opportunity to participate in the full stack development internship. My name is M. Ariswaran. I am currently pursuing BE Mechanical Engineering and I am in my final year. My academic background is mechanical engineering. I have a strong interest in software development and web technologies. That is why I joined this internship to improve my technical skills and gain practical experience. During this 1 month internship, I learned many new technologies, worked on practical tasks, complete coding exercise, and developed a real world full stack project. Now, I would like to share my internship journey and the knowledge I gained during this training. I successfully completed a 30-day full stack web development internship. During this internship, I learned both front-end and back-end development through practical implementation instead of only studying theory. Every day, we attended technical training sessions where we learned new concepts and immediately practiced them by writing code. This helped me understand how real software applications are developed in the industry. The internship also included coding assignments, mini projects, debugging exercise, and problem solving activities. These activities improved my logical thinking and programming skills. One important thing I learned is the complete software development lifecycle. I understood how an application is planned, designed, developed, tested, and finally deployed. Apart from technical knowledge, this internship also improved my communication skills, teamwork, and confidence in developing projects independently. Overall, this internship gave me a strong practical foundation in full stack development. In this internship, I learned many important technologies that are commonly used in modern web development. I started with HTML and CSS3, which are used to create the structure and design of web pages. Next, I learned JavaScript, including ES6 concepts, array object, functions, asynchronous programming, promises, API handling. After that, I learned React.js, which is front-end library used to build modern and interactive user interfaces using reusable components and hooks. After that, I learned React.js, which is the front-end library used to build modern and interactive user interfaces using reusable components and hooks. For backend development, I learned Node.js and Express.js. These technologies helped me understand how to build REST APIs and connect front-end applications with the backend servers. This is very useful. I also learned MongoDB, which is NoSQL database used to store and manage application data efficiently. Additionally, I used Git and GitHub for version control and collaboration. I also learned API testing and debugging using Postman and browser developer tools. These technologies together helped me understand the complete full stack development process. This internship focused mainly on practical learning rather than only theory. Every day, I worked on coding exercise to strengthen my programming skills. I developed several mini projects that helped me understand how front-end and back-end communicate with each other. I implemented CRUD operations, authentication, routing, middleware, and API communication using modern development practices. Whenever errors occurred, I learned how to debug them systemically instead of simply searching for solution. This improved my troubleshooting skills significantly. And I also learned how to organize project folders properly, write and clean and reusable code, and follow good coding standards. By continuously practicing these concepts, I became much more confident in developing complete web application independently. This internship helped me improve both my technical knowledge and my personal skills. I developed stronger logical thinking and problem solving abilities by solving real programming challenges. I clearly understood how the front end, back end, and the database work together to build a complete application. I also learned software architecture, project organization, clean coding practices, and proper error handling techniques. One of the biggest improvements was my debugging ability. Earlier, debugging errors was difficult for me, but now I can identify problems and solve them more confidently. This internship also improved my communication skills, presentation skills, and confidence while working on technical projects. Overall, it prepared me for real world software development. As the final outcome of this internship, I developed a full stack food ordering web application by applying everything I learned. So, in this project, I implemented user authentication, restaurant management, menu management, food ordering, and other important features. The front end was built using React.js. The backend was developed using Node.js and Express.js. And the MongoDB was used as the database. One interesting feature I added was an AI-powered review analysis system. This feature analyzes customer reviews using artificial intelligence, summarizes the reviews, identifies the customer sentiment, and highlights the most common feedback automatically. This project helped me understand how multiple technologies work together in a real world application. By completing this internship, I gained practical experience, improved my technical knowledge, and become much more confident in full stack development. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Now I would like to give my live demonstration of my project. Now I will demonstrate the project that I developed during this internship. I will show the main features of application including restaurant management, menu management, food ordering, user authentication, and the AI-powered reviews analysis features. Let's begin the live demonstration. I am already run this project in this local host. First, we see the source code. Yeah, this is the front end is successfully running in localhost 5173. The backend also running. The backend also running in this project. So first of all, so let's dive the project. Yeah, this is now I will demonstrate my project. This is the home page of my food delivery application. Here, users can search restaurants using the search bar. They can also filter restaurants based on vegetarian options, ratings, the customer reviews. Um, each restaurant displays its image, location, star rating, and the total number of reviews. And the review summary button. When the user clicks on view review summary, an AI generated review summary is displayed. Instead of reading hundreds of customer reviews, user can quickly understand the overall opinion about the restaurant. The summary highlights the important positive points and also so frequently mentioned keywords, making restaurant selection much easier. Now inside of the restaurant, click this food, add to cart. I already added much more. Now I'm selecting the food item, adding in shopping cart. The application immediately updates the cart count in the navigation bar. This provides a smooth shopping experience for the customer. Yeah, this this is the shopping cart page. Here, users can view all selected food item along with the prices. They can increase or decrease the quantity, remove unwanted items, and see the order summary. The subtotal and total amount are automatically calculated. Yeah, see this amount are automatically calculated. Now I will show the backend database. MongoDB. Yeah, this is MongoDB where MongoDB Compass where our application data is stored, and also used the MongoDB Atlas. Now I used the connect the MongoDB Compass. Here you can see the cart information, user details, restaurants, menu items, and the orders. Whenever the user adds or removes an item, the cart data is updated on the real time. Yeah, this is the cart data updates. This is MongoDB database is perfectly working. Now return to the project. Now I will process it to checkout. The user enters the delivery details such as address and phone number. After the application redirects to the Stripe payment gateway. Yeah, this is the Stripe payment page. Stripe securely handles online payments using debit card, credit card, Apple Pay, and other supported payment methods. Since manages the payment process, sensitive card information is never stored in my application, which improves security. And return to the home page. This is home page. Okay. Now log out this user ID. Now I will log out from the normal user account and log in as an administrator. Yeah, log out successfully. Login. Yeah, this is not a password. Yeah, login successfully. Now I am logged in as an administrator. The administrator has additional privileges that are not available to normal users. Yeah, AI analyze reviews. Here the administrator can click the AI analyze reviews button. The application collects customer reviews and sends them to the AI models for analysis. After the processing is completed, the system generates a summarized review automatically. The notification comes that the AI review analysis has been completed successfully. You click OK. Right. Yeah, this is the now the newly generated AI summary is displayed. Instead of manually reading every review, the AI identifies the overall customer sentiment and extracts the most important points. This helpful users quickly understand the restaurant quality and the customer feedback. The administrator, the admin can also add new restaurants. Yeah, this is like that. The admin enters the restaurant details, upload an image, and saves the information. Once added, the restaurant immediately becomes visible to all users. If a restaurant is no longer available, the administrator can delete it with a single click. The restaurant is immediately removed from both the user interface and the database. Delete it. Deleted successfully. This is completes the demonstration of my food delivery application. The project include user authentication, restaurant management, shopping cart, tip payment integration, MongoDB database, and AI powered review summarization. Now one more editor, that the restaurant. It's also working, editor successfully. A cart item also delete. And also add the add a new food item, give the name, price, description, stock, image, URL, and add it. Okay, thank you for your time. I am happy to develop the project with the WebStack Academy. Thank you, WebStack Academy, for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.